How to fix Hulu app not working on Firestick. Please watch full video for better solution. If you are experiencing issues with Hulu app not working on Firestick or other Fire TV devices, then there are simple and quick fixes that you can try to resolve, and there are several different solutions to fix this issue of Hulu app not working on Firestick, like clearing cache, clear Hulu app data and reset to factory default. So let's see in detail how to fix Hulu app not working on Firestick. Why does Hulu keep crashing on Fire TV? Problems with Hulu on Fire TV have several possible causes. Sometimes the app will give you an error code, but more often it will malfunction with no apparent cause. Your Fire Stick may have a poor Wi-Fi connection or junk files that cause performance issues. While you probably won't be able to determine the cause every time Hulu crashes, these basic troubleshooting steps will fix it most of the time. Force restart and clear cache to fix Hulu app not working on Firestick. Step 1. Grab your remote and click on Home button and open Settings menu. Step 2. Now click on Applications. Step 3. Now go down to Manage installed applications. Step 4. Now go down in a list of applications and find Hulu. Step 5. Press OK on Hulu and press OK on Force Stop. Step 6. Now press OK on Clear Cache. Note: clearing cache and force stopping Hulu app on Firestick should solve your issue. If you still face issue, then repeat the step, force stop and clear cache, for one more or couple of times. Step 7. Now close all open settings and open Hulu app and check it's working. That's it. This is how fix Hulu app not working on Firestick by just force restart Hulu app and clearing cache. Clear data of Hulu app to fix Hulu app not working on Firestick. Step 1. Go to Settings menu. Step 2. Now navigate to Applications to manage installed applications to select Hulu app. Step 3. Now select to clear data. Once you clear data, go ahead and launch Hulu app. Now you will not be facing any issues like Hulu app not working on Firestick anymore. And, if you still face issues, try the below method to fix this issue. Reset Firestick to fix Hulu app not working on Firestick. If any of the above solution doesn't work, then this is the last step to fix Hulu app not working on Firestick, and it will remove all the applications on your Firestick and will work exactly as it was before when you bought it, new Firestick. Step 1. Go to Settings menu to My Fire TV. Step 2. Now go down to Reset to Factory Default. Step 3. Once you click on this, it will take only couple of minutes to process to reset Firestick, and once it get reset to factory default, you will have brand new Firestick. Resetting Firestick will fix all issues and install all versions of softwares available, and you won't be facing issue Hulu app not working on Firestick or any other application like Netflix or any other app issues.